Tell you what, my partner's gonna run your name.
Oh, you need to Google my name first. That's what you need to do. You need to Google it first.
Google it? Okay.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're definitely gonna hear me.
Here's this back.
Okay.
So my partner's gonna run your name. If everything checks out.
I done filed 7 federal cases. I won all 7 of them. So I don't, and whatever you want to do, you can do.
In this tense traffic stop, a Detroit police officer pulls over a driver because his temporary plate doesn't show up in the system. The driver insists the plate is legal and refuses to hand over his license without answers. The situation escalates as the officer repeatedly orders him to step out of the car under threat of arrest. After a long back and forth about identification, registration, and legal rights, the driver finally provides ID, but keeps challenging the officer's authority.
What happened?
What's that?
What's going on?
Well,
What happened?
Hi, I'm Officer Caswell, Detroit Police Department.
What's going on?
I pulled you over is I ran your plate. It's not coming back to anything.
That's not right. That's not true.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license registration?
Sir, that's not true.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
You see it. We run it again.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
You can run it again, sir.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
Can you just run my plate again? Sir, you just open up my door?
Yeah. Go ahead and step out there.
Sir, what? For what? Am I under arrest?
You gonna hand me your driver's license?
This is a legal stop, sir.
This is a legal stop.
This is illegal.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
I'm telling you, my license, my plate is right, so I don't know what's the problem.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license? I'm
Did you run my plate already?
It's not coming back to anything. Do you have your driver's license?
Why you need my license for?
Why? Because on a traffic stop, I'm asking you. You have to identify yourself.
No, I don't have to identify myself. I got a plate on my car.
You have to identify yourself.
I'm here legally, sir. I'm here legally.
You're here legally?
Sir, can you call your supervisor?
Yeah, go ahead and step out though.
Like, what I got to step out the car for?
Because I'm asking you. Traffic stop.
That's not how traffic
So
stop
I'm gonna
works.
explain something. So go ahead and actually hear.
That's not how traffic stop works, man.
Okay, so go ahead and step out. I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I'm not finna step out the car. What do I got to step out the car for? I don't feel safe to step out the car, sir.
Okay, so that's not how this works.
What you mean how does it work? That is how it works.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you.
You stopped me illegally. Okay. This is a Terry stop. You know what Terry stop is? You know Terry versus Ohio? Have you heard Terry versus Ohio?
Okay, so listen.
Okay, you heard Terry versus Ohio before.
I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I'm asking you, sir. Do you know what Terry versus Ohio is?
You're gonna end up going to jail.
For what?
I'm gonna explain that. But right now, I'm gonna ask you.
So I'm under arrest. You see, you make me get out the car under threat of arrest, right?
Under threats of arrest?
You just said I'm gonna rearrest if I don't get out the car.
So
you tell me
I'm giving a lawful order, okay? Because I have to verify.
Sir, are you making me get out the vehicle under threat of arrest?
I can't identify you, man.
Sir, are you making me get out the vehicle under a threat of arrest?
Because I can't identify you, please step out of the car.
No, I'm saying, are you making me get out under threat of arrest?
Are you gonna step?
Am I under arrest or am I seized on the probable cause?
I cannot verify who I'm speaking to because you won't give me your driver's
license. My ID is right there on the back of the car, sir.
Okay, you want to grab it?
What you mean? No, my ID, the plate that's my ID. That's my identification for you.
So is there a reason why there's a temp plate on the car?
Why not?
You want to give me that information?
Why not?
Okay, go ahead and step out.
Under threat of arrest.
I'm asking you to step out of the car.
If I don't step out,
and then you're gonna go to jail.
Why would you grab me for?
Because I'm asking you to step out the car. Okay, that's fine.
Sir, so you make me get out under threat of arrest?
Yep, step out of the car. Face the door, please. Patch it down, make sure you don't have weapons on you. Okay. Go ahead and walk to the front of my car. So walk to the front of my car, please. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. So I cannot.
All right, can you stand back for me? Cause I feel threatened, man. No, you just threatened to grab me. You just threatened to put your hands on me. Okay. I feel very, very vulnerable right now, sir.
That's fine. Okay. So this.
Where we at is you got me out here for a legal stop. I don't answer questions by police officers. So if you ask me any questions, I'm not going to answer them.
That's fine. So take your hands out of your pockets. So right now, the reason I stopped you is because when you run the plate, it doesn't come back to anything.
Sir, my plate is totally legit.
Okay. Is there a reason for the template?
I don't have to answer any questions posed by a police officer.
Okay. Do you have your ID?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you want to grab it? Do you want to identify
Are you going to arrest me? Am I under arrest or am I being detained?
So if you don't identify yourself, yes.
Okay. There you go. There you go. I'll let you take it out.
Thank you.
Because I don't want you to feel threatened, and I don't want to feel threatened.
I appreciate that. Is it Mr. Palmer?
Yes.
Okay. Tell you what, my partner's gonna run your name.
Oh, you need to Google my name first. That's what you need to do. You need to Google it first.
Google it? Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You're definitely gonna hear me.
Here's this back.
Okay.
So my partner's gonna run your name. If everything checks out.
I done filed 7 federal cases. I won all 7 of them. So I don't. And whatever you want to do, you can do.
Do you have your registration?
Huh?
Do you have the registration?
Of course I have registration. My vehicle is right here. You see the vehicle is legal right here.
Do you have the certificate of registration?
I have everything, sir.
Is it in the?
Yes, it is.
Insurance in the vehicle?
Everything, sir.
Okay, I need to see that.
Okay.
Are you willing to grab that?
I got to do it under threat of arrest?
If you don't do that, you're gonna get tickets. I don't want to do that. I'm not a big ticket writer, man.
I'm gonna get tickets for what? Everything's legit on my vehicle.
For the one, no proof of insurance.
Huh?
Okay, you might have insurance. you might have insurance on the vehicle, but I need to see proof. Does that make sense?
Okay, if you run my plate, you will see it has proof of insurance.
No, so
the plate is only 1 day old.
But I need to see like a hard copy.
Have you ever got a plate for a tag plate for your car?
I have not.
So you never had a new car in your life?
I have had a new car.
Okay, so you had a tag plate, a temporary plate.
So
okay.
Are you going to show me?
Did you actually look at the plate? You haven't even looked at the plate all the way correctly, have you?
I was behind you way back.
All right, do you see the blue stamp on that plate from the Secretary of State?
So listen,
sir, do you see the blue plant from the Secretary of State on there?
I'm not going to go back.
You can do whatever you want to do. Go ahead, do whatever you want to do, sir.
So you have a warrant.
You can call whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do, sir.
I'm not going to take you to jail on it.
I don't care about the warrant. That's the point. It's like 20 years old. So do whatever you want to do, sir.
Okay, I'm not going to take you to jail on it.
I don't care about none of that.
I'm going to cut you a couple tickets and we'll let you get out of here. Okay?
You write me a ticket for what? You haven't even looked at my plate. It says Secretary of State right there.
So I'm going to grab the VIN off of there.
That's from the Secretary of State branch plate. Have you looked at the plate? You haven't looked at the plate either, have you? All right, so you see the Secretary of State stamp on there? Huh?
And then if you show up to court with the insurance and the registration, I'll waive the tickets.
Sir, it's no waiving it. My plate is right here.
I'm not going to go. I'm done going back and forth, okay?
Oh, you see me in court. You see me downtown, Federal Building.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, for sure. It's called 1983.
Cool.
All right.
Where you stay at?
Don't worry about that. I don't ask questions about police officers. Hold about police officers. Okay. My plate's right here. You can see everything right there. Do you notice you helping him with the legal stop? Do you know you're going to be going to court with him? Oh, so you vouching for everything he does. Thank you.
Do you have the insurance?
Sir, where's the supervisor? Sir, I want to see a supervisor.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
Give me a couple minutes.
Yes. All right. Because you stopped me illegally.
So I didn't.
Yes, you did. You are stopping me illegally.
I'm not stopping.
You passed stopping me illegally. I told you I filed 7 federal cases. I want all 7 of them. I filed all myself. I go down to Federal Building. I follow myself for officers like you. So if you're ready to go ahead and go down there, we can go down there. It don't matter.
If that's something you want to do, that
I'm going to do it. It's not something I'm going. I'm going to file it on you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
So what?
I want a supervisor down here.
Believing that.
Oh no, I want him to come down here. Yes, I want because you give me you're trying to give me tickets for something that clearly I have insurance and clearly I have a registration.
So I need to see proof.
What do you mean proof? It's proof right there, Secretary of State.
No, so the insurance.
Sir, this says Secretary of State on it. Sir, Secretary of State right there. It's clear as day. You can't miss it. I even got it laminated for you. Nice and laminated, nice and clear for you. I even took it out the window. You see the window? You had a sticker, it was stuck in the window. I put it on laminated just for police officers like you. Just for you. I have insurance, I have registration. If you want to keep playing this game, you can play it all you want to, man. You see I clearly have it. I'm at work right now, actually. Sir, can you call your supervisor? How long is it going to be? How long am I being detained? Sir, can you get the supervisor down here, sir? Sir, officer.
All right, so you can have a good night, okay? I'm not going to cut you any tickets. Make sure you get that warrant taken care of.
All right.
Okay, have a good night.
Well, you know you're still going to court, right?
That's fine.
Okay.
After all the tension, the situation eases. The officer decides to let the driver go and avoids issuing any tickets, even though an old warrant exists. He reminds the driver to handle the warrant and allows him to leave peacefully. The stop concludes safely while the driver makes it clear he will pursue the matter in court. A stressful encounter with a calm ending. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.